If you're managing a global workforce, you know how complex and time-consuming it can be to handle contracts, payments, and compliance across different countries. That's where Deel comes in, making global workforce management simple and efficient. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through how to use Deel to streamline your entire workforce process, from hiring to payments, all in one place. Deel allows you to hire employees or contractors from anywhere in the world without worrying about the legalities of setting up in multiple countries. When you sign up, you'll be able to create and customize contracts in seconds. Deel takes care of compliance with local laws, so you don't have to worry about missing anything. This is especially useful if you're expanding globally and need a solution that scales with your business. One of the best features of Deel is the ease of managing payroll. You can pay your global team in local currencies or in crypto, ensuring everyone gets paid in their preferred method, and Deel automatically handles tax deductions. You can set up recurring payments, making sure no one misses a paycheck, and if you're dealing with different time zones, Deel ensures that the process is automated so everyone gets paid on time, no matter where they are in the world. In addition to payroll, Deel handles benefits, taxes, and compliance. You can offer benefits tailored to different countries, including health insurance, paid time off, and other perks specific to the region. Deel takes the guesswork out of managing benefits, ensuring everything is compliant and automated. Deel also offers a seamless way to manage employee documents. It allows you to store contracts, tax forms, and other important documents securely in one place. The software makes it easy to access and share documents whenever you need them, and you'll never lose track of any crucial paperwork. Another benefit of Deel is its scalability. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, Deel grows with you. You can add new team members, change contracts, or scale your payroll with ease. Plus, Deel integrates with other popular tools like Slack, QuickBooks, and Xero, allowing you to centralize everything in your existing workflow. Now here's the best part. Deel isn't just for big companies. Even if you're just starting with a remote team, Deel offers a way for you to manage a global workforce, no matter how small. And with our exclusive bonuses, you can try Deel for free through the link below. This gives you full access to Deel's features, so you can see how much it can simplify your operations. Stick around till the end because I'll share how you can extend your free trial of Deel even further. If you're managing a global workforce or planning to expand, this tool is a game changer. So if you want to scale your business effortlessly, take care of payroll, contracts, and compliance in one place, Deel is your go-to solution. And don't forget, use the first link in the description for exclusive access to Deel's extended free trial. This is your chance to see just how easy global workforce management can be. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out the link below and get started today.